Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to demonstrate how I plan my calorie intake using MyPlate. Let's begin. To start, I'll input my age, sex, weight, height, and activity level to determine my daily calorie needs. My daily calorie need is 2,600. Next, I click to enter the page where I can plan my calories. On this page, it shows that I need 2 cups of fruits, 3.5 cups of vegetables, 9 ounces of grains, 6.5 ounces of protein, and 3 cups of dairy. Then I can follow the instructions here and begin budgeting my calories across each of these categories. For example, in the fruits category, 2 cups of fruit could be 1 cup of raw or cooked fruit. In the grains category, 1 ounce of grains could be 1 slice of bread. Here is my plan for today. I will eat 2 apples, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, 1.5 cups of celery, 1 sweet potato, 3 ounces of pasta, 4 ounces of oats, and so on. You could plan your meals here. If you don't know what to eat, you could go back to MyPlate. There are plenty of foods you could choose from. That's all for today. If you want more fitness tips, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.